Can I film your food?
Sure.
Yeah.
No problem.
It was so good, I have to film it.
Yeah, thank you so much. Here.
Yeah. Woo. Yeah, it looks good. It was so good.
Thank you, sir.
Oh, look. Ooh. Yeah, I ate lots of it. Very good, thanks. That just goes on YouTube.
What's your
Skipper Doodle 69.
Skipper Doodle?
Skipper Doodle 69. No spaces in there.
Okay.
Could you know how to spell that? SKIPPERDOODLE 69.
Just recommend for your
Recommend
recommend us for your friends. Just recommend us for your friends.
Ask.
In your
Recommend
club.
us to your friends.
Oh, I will. I usually do a talk over this, and I'll recommend, because it's right across the street, and it's like, and there are some people that were over here last night, and they loved it too. They were just telling me, oh yeah, it's great. They love the liver and all that. So I just thought, oh, I put it on a YouTube,
Thank you, sir.
and her too. See. You don't want to be on there? No? Look at full of pillows.
No.
You don't like being on film? No? Hard-working girls.
Yeah, thank
You don't want to be on YouTube? No? You don't want to be on YouTube? Do what? You don't want to be on YouTube?
I have a YouTube?
Yeah.
That is a YouTube?
No, YouTube.
I just want to use one of my glasses first.
I have a... You're hiding.
That's so funny. It's okay. What is it? That's a
Yeah.
vlog?
My neighbor, huh?
Ah, that is a vlog?
Yeah.
Vlog, okay.
Yeah. I did one here from up there, and it has over 2,000 views.
Wow.
Yeah.
You just go there and you
when I went, well, I did the whole thing, the whole building, and I did one in the pool.
Oh yeah. You have already.
Yeah. Well, I have
Nice.
80 some odd videos.
Wow.
80 some odd. Yeah.
You do